Hello guys, welcome again to my channel. Today I make a DIY home decor on Janmastami. So we all need a bottle, acrylic paints, masking tape, a paper, pencil and eraser. So let's start. Firstly I take green. After green, I take orange. After completing orange, I take yellow. I applied a single coat only to cover my bottle. After yellow, I take red and coat the remaining area. After I take yellow and green and blend it together. Then I blend yellow and orange. After this, I blend orange and red. Once I finish this, then I take my paper and draw my sketch. Then I dark back side of my paper or my sketch to transfer easily my sketch on my bottle. It's the easiest technique to transfer your sketch. Then I place my paper on the bottle and normally draw it. As you see how easily my sketch should be transferred. Now I take black and highlight my sketch. And with this, happy Janmashtami to all of you. And if you don't subscribe my channel, please subscribe it for more of my videos. And don't forget to comment, like and share. You can draw anything of your choice on the background. Now I take red and fill my heart. Sorry, my bottle heart. And now it's time to more decorate my bottle. So I stick some stickers.
बड़ा नटखट है रे
After that, I coat my bottle with varnish to protect my paints. You can use any other decorative material you have to decorate bottle. And from this technique you can decorate anything, any waste thing you have. And now my bottle is finally ready, and this is the look. You can use it as a home decor or as a planter, anything of your choice. Thanks and bye bye.